So my kids have been asking for a volleyball slash badminton net for a couple years, and you always buy these cheap crappy ones at Walmart or whatever, and the poles always break and whatnot. Well, my dad did this when I was a kid, and it lasted for 10 plus years while I was younger. So I decided to do this. This is very simple. It takes 2 tires, 10 bags of concrete, 2 poles. These are line poles from a galvanized woven wire fence, and a badminton net. So you fill the 2 tires full of concrete, you stick the pole in the middle of it, let it dry, make sure the poles are straight, and then you drill 2 eye bolts into the top of it. These are 3/8 by 5 inch, I believe, and you tighten them down and you can attach a net to it. It's currently set to 8 feet for the top, which is roughly what a volleyball net should be set at. I am going to add 2 more eye bolts to here so that I can lower it down to the 5 foot that a badminton net should be set at. This is a nice little project that you can do with the family. It only takes a little bit of effort to actually get the concrete in there. And after that 30 minutes of work, you have poles that will withstand anything you're going to be able to throw at it and hold up your volleyball and badminton nets for years to come. You'll have to replace this net 5, probably 10 times over in the next 10-15 years. And what's also cool about this is that when you're doing the concrete, the kids can put their handprints and names and whatever in it. My kids absolutely love doing that, so I would suggest doing that for your kids, and they can look at this every single day that they use it and say, this is my handprint 5 years ago. Pretty cool. And you know what? I actually put a couple beer holders in each one of them so people can set their beer in it. Something little, kind of cool. Maybe the people use it, maybe they won't. Whenever you want to move it, you just disconnect the net and you tip the pole down and you can just roll the wheel. It does take 2 people to move it, and this is roughly 400 pounds down here for a weight, so it's never going to tip over, and it does roll hard, but 2 people can roll it pretty easily. So if you guys are wanting to do something like this, I'll leave the links in the descriptions to everything that I bought. The 2 tires you can get pretty much anywhere. Just wait until you need to replace 2 on your car and don't pay the disposal fee for the tires. Easy peasy. If you guys like this, give it a like and subscribe for more content, and I'll catch you in the next video.